Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Melanie, your SheShed Scrapper, here with a one-page layout for the ScrapRoom design team. I am using the Echo Park All-American collection that I received from the July Flavors of the Month kit. I am also bringing in some of the add-on kits as well. When I receive my kits, I receive the pattern paper kit, the embellishment kit, and the Shots of Life kit, which is like a pocket page kit. So when I create, I usually kind of intermix all of them and use them all together. This is a very quick layout. I am going to use this beautifully designed background paper. Love the wood grain, love the floral elements on the corners. So that alone is just going to quicken up this layout, I guess. So I am using just the one photo of my cousin and I from the 4th of July a few years ago. And then in order to kind of spruce it up a little bit, I will bring in a couple of pattern papers. I love the paisley here and I love how dark it is. So I am going to go ahead and use that one. It is going to be cut quite thick, and I will go ahead and dovetail each end. Knowing that the photo is going to go in place of it, I was able just to use a small piece and cut it kind of in half and place the two sections on either side of the photo and just save paper that way. So I wanted to kind of place the piece on the left first because I didn't really want it overlapping that floral cluster in the bottom left corner. That will help me kind of decide where to place my photo as well. I love everything 4th of July, red, white, and blue. So I was beyond thrilled to receive a 4th of July collection in this month's Flavors of the Month kit. So I am going to bring in America the Beautiful. This is a sticker, and that is going to be my title. And I will go ahead and add to it. It has a very wide white base around it, and with having a white background, I kind of knew I needed to add something underneath and kind of layer, I guess, so that it stood out a little bit more. Before I do that, though, I did go ahead and cut a thinner strip of that kind of light blue floral paper, and I dovetail both ends of that as well. And we are just going to layer both of those behind the photo. So again, I love kind of saving paper and using just little pieces of the pattern papers instead of kind of the whole strip, especially when I first dig into a collection. Sometimes when I have used it for quite some time, I'm okay kind of using that whole strip, but in the beginning, I do like to conserve and save my paper, and that's one way I do that. So I did go ahead and kind of vary the lengths of the strips as well, and then I will go ahead and pop my title up on some foam tape. There are some really beautiful floral pieces in the collection, and I knew that I wanted to kind of add more of those because there are the two clusters already on my paper. So now that I have the title, embellishing is honestly going to come together very quickly. I picked out a handful of embellishments that I thought maybe I would want to use and kind of stuck them to my Versamat. There were a couple of paisley pieces, and because I used the paisley paper, I thought I would go ahead and use those. I'm not quite sure how to use them, if I'm going to be completely honest. The one at the top I think is okay, but I couldn't figure out how to use the second one. I then also went through my ephemera, seeing if there was anything I wanted to use from there. And honestly, I think all of my embellishments come from the sticker sheet, which is not usually something that I do. I usually kind of intermix the pieces, but I think I just used stickers for this one. I loved that pot with the flowers that I added to the bottom, and that's going to kind of be my main, I guess, piece on the bottom cluster. I found the little sticker that says freedom, so I added that to the bottom as well. And then I love these red, white, and blue cowboy boots. So instead of that paisley piece, those boots, yep, definitely found a place on this layout. I thought they were adorable. Don't know that I could ever pull it off and wear them, but the sticker is beautiful. So it gets used on this layout. And then I just kind of added another smaller floral cluster to kind of round out that cluster at the bottom. For the top, I went ahead and added kind of a flag heart. Again, just kind of trying to break up all of that white at the top. And then there was another smaller floral cluster that I tucked in next to the bee in beautiful. And that is just about going to finish it off. So again, a layout does not have to be or take a long time. Use your papers like I did with this one and those beautiful floral clusters in the corners, especially when you don't have time, and just create. It doesn't have to be complicated, and I feel like this one kind of showed that. So definitely dig into those collections. Check out the Scrap Room for all of the amazing kits and collections that they offer. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys.